Hello and how are you? I am Basa Kodal, and in this playlist, we will learn how to develop a, a Discord bot using Node.js. So to get started, you need to make sure that you have Node.js installed, and if you don't, I will leave you the download link and download it. It is pretty straightforward. Or just go to nodejs.org/email. And because this is a Discord bot, you need a testing server and a Discord account. So this is my account and this is a testing server, and it is very important to have a testing server. Do not develop the bot in a public server or a server that have members in it, since it can do bad things and still enough. Then all you need to do is, after installing everything at the Node.js and make sure you also have npm, you need to go to Discord developer dot or discord.com/developer/application, which will go to this page. From there, we are going to make an application so we can make a bot. So like you can see, I have already made several bots, but in this tutorial, we are going to create a new bot for my channel. And throughout this playlist, we will learn new techniques and new features and how we can develop it using Node.js. So just click on new application and give it a name, which will be the Discord bot name. So I'm just going to just call it Basa Coder. I like this name since it is my channel. And you need to allow to agree to this developers terms of services and developer policy. Then click on create. Like you can see, it will take you to this. There's many features and things here. You can set an icon if you like, a description which will appear in the app me, and tag other cool features here, but we don't need to configure them or set anything to them. Then we need to make to invite the bot to our server. So just go to us to and just click on URL generate and just select bot and select the permissions that you want. I don't recommend using the administrator feature, since if anyone gets its token, they can break your Discord server. So the most important thing is that send files, create public and private threads, send messages in threads, send TTS, manage messages, and embed links, and attach file if you wanted to like send you some file, but we don't need it. And lead messages and view channel. So this is the permission that we are going to be needing to complete this playlist. And like you can see, to give you this generated URL, just open a new tab and just paste in this or go to your Discord server and just send this link in the Discord server. Then just click on the invite. So like you can see this continue. You need to make sure you glad your bot with these all permissions and just click on authorize. You will need to verify you're a human. And if you don't, you can invite it a little done and you will get a notification that a bot just showed up and this basic code. Like you can see it's a really cool bot. You can customize it. But the problem is that it's not active. So we need to get started in coding. So to get started, we need to jump in the text editor. So here am I in my text editor. I am using Cursor, which is like VS Code but with small AI features. And let's get started. So the first thing we need to make sure is to initialize it as a OJS project by opening our terminal. Let's type it pm init class one, which will just initialize a quick package data. Like you can see, this is it, and the main in the index.js. So let's go and create the .js file. Now we need to install the required packages. So the many packages we that are out there, but we need only two. Something called this called .js. Make sure that you have app latest at the end. Make sure that you have the latest version. And there's many versions that we are going to be using version 30. So by clicking enter, it will start calling it like you can see here. Wait until it is finished installing it. Then we need to install another package called npm call.env, which simply enable us to keep our token safe. So now I am installing it and it successfully installed. Now we need to have the token to put to make the bot. So to get the token, all we need to do is go here to our bot. Just click on bot and then check all the things that we need. So send messages in threads, other things that we selected earlier. So I think that these were all. Then just click on reset token. Yes, do it. And this is the token. It is really secure. You can sell it because if you sell it, anyone can hack into your bot. Of course, this is a testing bot, and after the tutorial, I will change the token so no one can hack me. Then we need to create a .env or an environment file to keep our token safe. To create that, Discord underscore token or something like token, something you can recognize and set it to be equal to and just put it here. Now we are ready to get started in our coding. So the first thing we need to do is to import the Discord.js in our project. So import client with little, and we will need to import something else called gateway gate gateway okay, gateway wait 1 second, gateway in 10 bits, which simply allow us to set the rules and permission for the bot in Discord.js. So to get started, we are going to be needing to make a new client. To make a new client, let's open a new call it client all small equal to a new and the client that we imported it from like Discord.js and just pass it an object which inside of it will have an intent this, and here it's about what you so the default any Discord bot will have gateway.guild guild little. This is the first one we are going to be needing, and something called another called get guild messenger. So here guild messenger and a gateway another, and the last thing will be message react if you want to like react to messages. I just like to keep it, so if we use it, I can just use it without resetting in the box. So guild messages reaction. And now we are ready to log in. So to log in, we need to use the token which we will put in the .env file. Of course. So here comes the purpose for the .env file. We need to require the .env in a single line. .env .env dot config. This is the proper way to configure the .env file. Layers and here's the case. And then we need to make a cons of token, which will have to be called token. So we need to call token dot env dot and pass it the variable name, which is Discord token. So Discord underscore token. One important thing, the dot env variable has to be all line. Then we need to client login to log in to this server. So we'll change token, and now we should be able to see our bot online when we load this file. So I will open a terminal and just say node index.js. Okay, so Yeah, sorry. So NPM start. Okay. Well, for some reason it's not working. So let's say and they listen like okay. So now second. Okay, so I gave you a second to think. Then we will see how I catch up. So it is because we are in the data 22 here made a type of a type of module with solve type module in our translation. And now when we type npm sorry, node index.js, mhm. Okay, so this is because I am using the .nb as a file. So to fix that, you need to import .nb. So import .nb config, then let's call config thing. Then and oh, yeah. Now to like see the no alert. If we go here, the bot is successfully online. If the token is changed, then it will not be on. Then now it is functional, but doesn't have anything. Like it doesn't have slash command in it. So in the next tutorial, we are going to see how we can add commands to it and make the bot reply fast and interact interact. Stay tuned for the next tutorial.